Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. In Java, a two-dimensional array is essentially an array of arrays. If you want to convert a two-dimensional array into a one-dimensional array, you will need to iterate through each element of the two-dimensional array and copy those elements into a new one-dimensional array. ### tutorial, converting a two-dimensional array to a one-dimensional array in Java. ### step-by-step explanation. 1. Understand the structure. A two-dimensional array can be visualized as a table with rows and columns. For example, a 2D array with 3 rows and 2 columns looks like this. To determine the size of the one-dimensional array, the size of the one-dimensional array will be the product of the number of rows and columns in the two-dimensional array. For example, the above array has 3 rows and 2 columns, leading to a one-dimensional array of size 6. 3. Iterate through the 2D array. Use nested loops to iterate through each row and column of the two-dimensional array and copy the elements into the one-dimensional array. 4. Copy the elements. As you iterate, you can keep track of the index in the one-dimensional array to ensure you store elements in the correct order. ### code example. Here's a complete Java program that demonstrates how to convert a two-dimensional array into a one-dimensional array. ### explanation of code. 1. Two-dimensional array initialization. We first declare and initialize a two-dimensional array named two-dimensional array. 2. Determining rows and columns. The number of rows is obtained using two-dimensional array.length, and the number of columns is obtained using two-dimensional array 0.length. 3. Creating one-dimensional array. We create a one-dimensional array with a size equal to the total number of elements in the 2D array, i.e., rows * cols. 4. Nested loop for conversion. We use a nested loop to iterate through the 2D array. For each element, we assign it to the appropriate position in the one-dimensional array using the index variable. 5. Output. Finally, we print the one-dimensional array to confirm that the conversion was successful. ### conclusion. This method allows you to efficiently convert a two-dimensional array into a one-dimensional array in Java. You can further modify this approach to fit various data types or different array sizes as needed.